Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of celery juice and exploring its top benefits. If you've ever wondered why this vibrant green drink has taken the health community by storm, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible advantages of incorporating celery juice into your daily routine, from boosting hydration to enhancing digestion. We'll discuss how this simple yet powerful beverage can support your overall wellness and even help with weight management. Plus, we'll share some tips on how to make the perfect glass of celery juice at home, ensuring you get the most out of its nutrients. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why celery juice is worth a spot in your diet but also feel inspired to give it a try. So, grab your juicer and get ready to discover the amazing benefits of celery juice that could transform your health journey. Nutritional profile. Celery juice is not just a trendy beverage. It's packed with a rich nutritional profile that can benefit your health in numerous ways. One of the standout features of celery juice is its impressive array of vitamins, including vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while vitamin C plays a crucial role in boosting your immune system and promoting collagen production. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health, making celery juice a powerhouse of nutrients. In addition to these vitamins, celery juice is incredibly low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. With just a few calories per serving, you can enjoy a refreshing drink that hydrates and nourishes without the guilt. This low-calorie nature allows you to incorporate celery juice into your diet easily, whether as a morning boost or a midday refreshment. Overall, the nutritional content of celery juice makes it a fantastic addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. Hydration benefits. Celery juice is an excellent choice for hydration, thanks to its high water content, which is around 95%. This makes it one of the most hydrating beverages you can consume. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for numerous bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, supporting digestion, and maintaining healthy skin. When you're well hydrated, your body can perform optimally, helping you feel energized and focused throughout the day. Incorporating celery juice into your daily routine can be a refreshing way to boost your hydration levels. Unlike sugary drinks that can lead to energy crashes and unwanted calories, celery juice offers a natural, low-calorie alternative that quenches your thirst without the added sugars. Its crisp, refreshing taste makes it a delightful option for those hot summer days or after a workout. By choosing celery juice over sugary beverages, you not only hydrate your body but also nourish it with essential vitamins and minerals. So, next time you reach for a drink, consider celery juice as a delicious and healthy way to stay hydrated. Digestive health. Celery juice is a fantastic ally for your digestive health, offering a range of benefits that can enhance gut function. One of the key advantages of celery juice is its natural fiber content, which plays a crucial role in promoting healthy bowel movements. While juicing celery removes some of the fiber, it still retains enough to help support digestion and keep things moving smoothly through your system. Additionally, celery juice is known for its ability to alleviate bloating and discomfort. The high water content helps to flush out excess sodium and toxins, reducing water retention and promoting a flatter stomach. Many people find that drinking celery juice regularly can lead to a noticeable decrease in bloating, making them feel lighter and more comfortable. Moreover, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties found in celery can help soothe the digestive tract, further enhancing gut health. By incorporating celery juice into your diet, you can support your digestive system and enjoy a more balanced, comfortable feeling throughout the day. Anti-inflammatory properties. Celery juice is celebrated for its impressive anti-inflammatory benefits, primarily due to its rich content of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, which is a key contributor to inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals, The antioxidants in celery juice can play a significant role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. This anti-inflammatory effect may be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic conditions related to inflammation, such as arthritis, heart disease, and even certain autoimmune disorders. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of celery juice can help alleviate symptoms associated with these conditions, potentially leading to improved quality of life. Anecdotal evidence from celery juice enthusiasts also supports these claims, with many reporting reduced joint pain and swelling after incorporating this juice into their diets. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of celery juice's anti-inflammatory properties, its potential benefits make it a valuable addition to a health-conscious lifestyle. By drinking celery juice, you may be taking a proactive step toward managing inflammation and enhancing your overall well-being. Skin health. Celery juice is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, primarily due to its hydrating properties. With its high water content, celery juice helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, which is essential for maintaining a plump and youthful appearance. Proper hydration can reduce dryness and improve skin elasticity, giving you that coveted glow. In addition to hydration, celery juice is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, particularly vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin C is known for its role in collagen production, which helps keep skin firm and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Meanwhile, antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental damage and promoting a healthy complexion. To reap the skincare benefits of celery juice, consider starting your day with a refreshing glass on an empty stomach. You can also mix it into smoothies or use it as a base for salad dressings. By incorporating celery juice into your daily routine, you'll not only nourish your body but also support your skin's health and vitality. Weight management. Celery juice is an excellent ally for those looking to manage their weight effectively. One of its standout features is its low-calorie nature, with just a few calories per serving. This makes it a guilt-free option that can easily fit into any weight loss plan. Despite being low in calories, celery juice has filling properties that can help curb hunger, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Incorporating celery juice into a balanced diet can be a smart strategy for weight loss. It can serve as a refreshing beverage that hydrates and nourishes without adding excess calories. You can enjoy it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up to keep your energy levels stable. Additionally, celery juice can be a fantastic healthy snack alternative. Instead of reaching for sugary or processed snacks, consider sipping on celery juice to satisfy your cravings while providing essential nutrients. By making celery juice a regular part of your diet, you can support your weight management goals in a delicious and nutritious way. Conclusion. In summary, celery juice offers a multitude of benefits that can enhance your overall health and well-being. From its impressive hydration properties to its rich nutritional profile, including essential vitamins and antioxidants, celery juice is a powerhouse drink. It supports digestive health, aids in weight management, and even boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit those with chronic conditions. The key takeaway is that incorporating celery juice into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health. Whether you enjoy it as a refreshing morning beverage or a nutritious snack alternative, the advantages are clear. We encourage you to take action and give celery juice a try in your diet. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these health tips. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health and wellness.